Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to change the batteries in this 2 gig 4-button key fob. The tools we're going to need to complete this job is a small sized Phillips head screwdriver and a CR2025 battery, which can be acquired at any local hardware store. The first step we're going to do is we're going to flip the key fob over to the back and we're going to unscrew the screw at the bottom. Once we've unscrewed the screw, we're then going to take our screwdriver and put it in this little gap at the bottom here, and we're going to pry upwards to snap the back cover plate off from the key fob, just like so. Now don't be alarmed if all the pieces go flying, because I'll show you how to fully rebuild the key fob if that happens. Now what we're going to do, now that we have access to the battery, is we're going to go to the top with our screwdriver and we're going to push down on this top part of the battery like so. This will allow us to pull the battery out, just like so. Once the battery has been removed, we're going to take our new battery and insert it so the text is facing us and slide it right under those 3 tabs. Once that's done, we're then going to replace the key fob. So we'll put the battery back inside so the battery is towards the top of the key fob, and then we'll take this little key ring and make sure that is placed around the little cylinder part on the bottom of the key fob here. So this little part right there. Once that's done, we're then going to take the back plate again with the screw hole facing down, and we're going to re-snap everything back together. Once everything's nice and secure and snapped in together, we're going to take our screw again, and we're going to re-screw in the key fob. Once we've screwed it back together, our battery installation is complete. And that's it.